Hi. Recently when scrolling through Reddit, I stumbled upon this video of a really cool trick I've never seen before. I asked Topi and he told me that he did it by accident and broke it down for me. I wanted to make a tutorial, so we decided to call it the half finger pass. Here it is. Okay. First of all, you can do these tricks both from the open position and the closed position, but I'll do it from the open one because it's easier. So, what you want to do is grab the safe handle and drop the back handle. Then you spin it around your thumb. When you reach this position, insert your middle finger and continue the rotation till you reach here. Then insert your ring finger and let go of your index finger. And just stop here. Here, you're going to want to continue the rotation from the momentum and reach this position. Here, you do a wrist pass and grab the safe handle with your index finger and your thumb and just open the blade. When you do it fast, it looks like this. And from the closed position, something like this.